Welcome everyone to this new Nalios video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you some new functionality of Odoo 19.3 in the accounting application. So now in Odoo 19.3 you are able to set to draft some invoices, journal entries and bank transaction in one click in bulk with a new action. So before, when you wanted to set, for instance, an invoice to draft, you had to open the invoice and click manually on the Reset to Draft button. For whatever reason, if you need to do it in bulk, it could take a lot of time. So now you can just select them in bulk, for instance, click on Action, and in one click, here, Reset to Draft, it will set your invoices in draft status. You have the same functionality on journal entries. So if you go here and that you select some journal entries, you can click on Action and click on Reset to Draft. We have also the same functionality on the bank transaction. So whatever reason, if you need to make some change, if you have some duplicates, you can easily change them by selecting in bulk, click on Action and reset them to draft. As you see now, they're in gray, so you are able to make some modification if you want, or to delete them if it is really needed. I hope that the video was clear. Don't hesitate to like the video and to leave us a comment. Have a nice day.